Morning, guys. For the last few days we've had something that has been eating our tomatoes. I mean, just when they're ripe, ready to be picked, they've been taken and chewing parts out of them. Some of our nicest tomatoes, I mean, I'm talking nice big tomatoes. And guys, we use these tomatoes to last us a year. And so far we've only canned up about a dozen. So I'm going to take you down here to the garden and show you what they've been doing. Then I'm going to put out my game cam tonight and try to get whatever it is. I put out traps, live traps last night, and I got absolutely nothing in them. I had put some tuna in them because that's all I had, and they were, whatever it was, didn't want that. They wanted the fresh tomatoes. I don't know if it's for the water. I really don't know. Anyway, I'm going to flip this around here and let you see our watermelon, and I'll show you the trap. There's our watermelon plants. They're doing really good. There's one in there. These are even nicer. Look at that baby. We're going to have some nice melons for sure. There's some over there. There's a small one right in here. Back to the devil that's been getting my tomatoes. Oh, well, I'm at it. Let me show you our shirt. Cool, huh? I like it. Okay. Here's a trap. And there's not a bit of food in it. So obviously the trap misfunctioned. I'll have to do some checking on that. Look at the size of that tomato. I mean, it is really nice. But look here. This is what the devils have been doing. Just when they're ready to be picked, I already threw some out. So there's one they've knocked off. I'll use that. Make some fried green tomatoes out of it. There's where one had a feast on one. Just to let you know, we got one little hen starting to lay. She's given us about 3 eggs now. It's pretty cool. You wait from the time they're chicks till, you know, you get them to this stage, and then you start getting eggs. Pretty cool. Anyway, the next thing you're going to see is what I captured tonight on my game cam. Here you go. Morning, guys. It's a day after I set the live traps. I'm gonna go out to the garden this morning and see what I got, so hang on. Okay guys, let's see what we got here. Ooh, there's one of them. Yep, kind of mean, ain't he? Look over here in this cage. There you go. That's the one we had on video, I'm sure. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to take and load these puppies up and get rid of them. Hey guys, I'm going to go out to the garden and been trying to get rid of these critters that's been getting in the garden. So far I've had to haul off one possum and one coon, and I happened to buy a new trap. I was borrowing live traps off of a neighbor here, and I went ahead and bought one for myself off of Amazon. And well, and today it paid off. So this is a second coon. It's going to be one of the toughest years we've had for tomatoes. Normally by this time of year we've gotten probably 50 quarts put up. We put up some tomatoes but no juice, and it's just been tough for us because these critters have been eating every one that turns red. So anyway, I'm gonna flip this phone around real quick and show you another one. This is the new trap I got, and there's the little critter in it. He's a mean one. They sure don't like being messed with. Anyway, I'm gonna get him out of the garden here and put him out of the cart. I can't handle the camera and the cage at the same time, so I just wanted to show you guys. Anyway, that's it for us on the capture of the villains who's stealing our tomatoes. So thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate it, guys, and have a blessed day, and we'll catch you later.